If you're planning to buy Dawn by used car disassembly, stop scrolling right now. Finding the perfect gear can be stressful, but this Dawn by used car disassembly changes everything. I was a bit skeptical at first, but after seeing that it looks sleek and fits perfectly into any modern setup, I was completely sold. It is hands down incredible because it simply does its job beautifully every single time. The single biggest reason you need this in your life is because it solves an annoying problem. It's highly practical, compact, and packed with thoughtful features that actually matter to you. Stop settling for less when you can have the best. This is your ultimate sign to upgrade while stocks last. If you're planning to buy Dawn by used car disassembly, stop scrolling right now. Finding the perfect gear can be stressful, but this Dawn by used car disassembly changes everything.